I'm okay with
Do what your instinct was telling you to do.
Okay, go this way.
Keep coming.
You feel it?
No,
A little more resistance as you're going back.
Come forward.
Feel the resistance.
Doing good. Fight it. Fight it. Your instinct is to try to stop it from healing because you're getting excited, you know.
Yeah, panicking.
But you want to
Panicking.
fight it.
You threw the guy off behind us. He thought you knew something.
I'm looking at like that boat up there with all those people.
You're all
Yeah.
Okay.
Aim for him.
We'll hit them
Okay,
right.
okay.
Well, that was a little bit of a wind shift there. That you really are steering. Or a little bit of wind reduction in speed.
You guys hungry?
Whatever.
Start eating again.
Okay, now that like is the wind.
Yeah, it's the wind. Nothing you're doing.
A lot of food to go through. Oh, what do you got?